Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mr. English Clips. We are very happy you are here today.
Hi, friends. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
Yes, please support our channel, Mr. English Clips, and learn English with us every day.
Today, we will practice self-introduction in English, slowly, clearly, and very friendly.
Yes, introducing yourself is very important in daily life and real situations.
Wow! You need it at school, work, travel, meetings, and even online conversations.
Sometimes people feel shy, nervous, or confused when they introduce themselves.
Really? Yes, that is very normal, especially for beginner English learners.
Do not worry. We will practice together, step by step, with simple and useful sentences.
Let us start slowly. Emily, please introduce yourself first as a simple example.
Okay. Hello, my name is Emily. I am happy to meet you today.
Nice and clear. That is a very good start for a self-introduction.
Thank you. I can also say, I am from Canada and I live in Toronto.
Good example. You can talk about your country and your city.
I can add more. I am a teacher and I love helping people learn English.
Wow, that sounds very friendly and professional.
Thank you. Now, Michael, please introduce yourself slowly.
Sure. Hello, everyone. My name is Michael, and I am very glad to meet you.
Nice. That sounds polite and warm.
I am from the United States, and I live in a small, quiet city.
Small cities can be very peaceful and comfortable.
Yes, really. I like quiet places because they help me relax and think clearly.
That's interesting. You can also talk about your job in your introduction.
Good idea. I am an English speaker, and I enjoy teaching beginners every day.
Wow, that is perfect for this podcast and our lovely viewers.
Thank you. Emily, what else can people say in a self-introduction?
They can talk about age, but only if they feel comfortable.
Yes, age is optional. For example, I can say, I am 30 years old.
That is simple and clear. Or you can say, I am in my 30s.
That sounds a little more natural and polite.
People can also talk about hobbies in their introduction.
Really? That makes the conversation more friendly and personal.
For example, I like reading books and drinking coffee in the morning.
That sounds very relaxing and cozy.
Yes, it is. What about you, Michael? What do you like doing?
I like walking in the park, listening to music, and learning new languages.
Wow, learning languages is very useful and exciting.
Yes, and English learners are very brave and hardworking.
That is true. Dear viewers, you're doing a great job already.
Please remember, mistakes are okay. They help you learn better.
Many learners feel nervous when speaking English for the first time.
Really? I felt nervous too when learning another language.
See, even teachers feel nervous sometimes.
Yes, that is true, and it is completely normal.
Let us practice another self-introduction example together.
Good idea. This time, let us make it a little longer.
Okay. Hello, my name is Emily. I am from Canada and I live in Toronto.
Nice. Start. Please continue.
I am an English teacher and I enjoy helping beginners speak confidently.
Very good. That sounds clear and friendly.
In my free time, I like reading books and watching simple movies.
Wow, that is a very natural self-introduction.
Thank you. Now your turn, Michael.
Hello, my name is Michael. I am from the United States.
Good. Keep going slowly.
I work as an English speaker, and I love meeting new people.
Nice. That sounds warm and open.
In my free time, I enjoy walking, listening to music, and relaxing at home.
Relaxing at home is very popular.
Yes, especially after a long day of work.
Dear viewers, you can pause the video and practice these sentences aloud.
Please repeat slowly and do not rush your speaking.
Speaking slowly helps your pronunciation and confidence.
Really? Yes, slow English is strong English.
Let us now practice a very simple, short introduction.
Okay, this is good for very beginners.
Hello, I am Emily. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I am Michael. Nice to meet you too.
Wow, even short introductions are powerful and useful.
Yes, you do not need long sentences to communicate well.
Sometimes people ask, "Where are you from?" after introductions.
That is a very common and useful question.
I can answer, "I am from Canada."
And I can answer, I am from the United States.
People may also ask, "What do you do?"
Good question. I can say, I am an English speaker.
Or I can say, "I am a teacher."
Simple answers are perfect for beginners.
Now let us imagine meeting someone new for the first time.
Maybe at school, work, a party, or even online.
I will start. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Emily.
Hello, Emily. Nice to meet you too. My name is Michael.
That sounds friendly and polite.
Yes, first impressions are very important.
After saying your name, you can ask a simple question.
Really? Like, what is your name? Or, where are you from?
Exactly. For example, where are you from, Michael?
I am from the United States. What about you, Emily?
I am from Canada. I live in a busy but beautiful city.
Wow, that sounds nice and interesting.
Thank you. People often smile when they hear something positive.
Yes, smiling makes conversations warmer and easier.
Sometimes people feel shy and do not know what to say next.
That happens a lot, especially for beginners.
When that happens, you can talk about work or study.
Good idea. For example, what do you do, Emily?
I am an English teacher, and I enjoy helping students every day.
That sounds great and very kind.
Thank you. What do you do, Michael?
I work with English learners and help them practice speaking.
Wow, English learners are very lucky.
I think English learners are brave and strong.
Dear viewers, please remember, learning a language takes time and patience.
Yes, do not rush. Slow learning is strong learning.
Let us practice another real-life introduction example.
Okay, let us imagine we are meeting online.
Hello, my name is Emily. Thank you for joining this call today.
Hello, Emily. My name is Michael. Thank you for inviting me.
That sounds very polite and professional.
Yes, online introductions are common these days. After that, you can say where you are calling from. For example, I am calling from the United States today.
And I can say, I am calling from Canada this morning.
Wow, English helps people connect across the world.
Yes, language brings people closer together.
Sometimes people ask about hobbies to keep the conversation going.
That is true. For example, what do you like doing in your free time?
I like listening to music and walking outside.
That sounds relaxing. I like reading and drinking tea quietly.
Tea and books are a great combination.
Yes, they make me feel calm and happy.
Talking about feelings is also okay in introductions.
Really? Yes, you can say how you feel today.
For example, today I feel happy and excited to practice English.
That sounds positive and friendly.
How do you feel today, Emily?
I feel calm, relaxed, and happy to talk with our viewers.
Wow, that creates a nice and warm conversation.
Dear viewers, please try saying how you feel in English.
Even simple feelings like happy, tired, or excited are useful.
Sometimes people ask, "Is this your first time here?"
That is a very common question.
I can answer, "Yes, this is my first time here."
Or I can say, no, I have been here before.
Simple answers help you feel confident.
Confidence grows with practice, not perfection.
That is very important to remember.
Let us practice a longer self-introduction again.
Okay. Hello, my name is Emily. I am from Canada and I live in Toronto.
Nice start. Please continue slowly.
I am an English teacher and I enjoy helping beginners speak clearly.
Very good. That sounds natural.
In my free time, I like reading books and relaxing at home.
Wow, that is a perfect beginner introduction.
Thank you. Now your turn again, Michael.
Hello, my name is Michael. I am from the United States.
Good. Keep going.
I work with English learners and I enjoy teaching simple conversations.
Nice and clear.
In my free time, I like walking, music, and quiet evenings.
Quiet evenings are very nice.
Yes, especially after a busy day.
Dear viewers, you can pause and repeat these introductions many times.
Speaking out loud helps your brain remember better.
Do not worry about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes.
Really? Yes, mistakes mean you are learning.
English is not about being perfect.
It is about communicating kindly and clearly.
Let us practice a very short, casual introduction.
Okay, good idea.
Hi, I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Emily. I'm Michael. Nice to meet you too.
Wow, simple English is powerful.
Yes, simple English works everywhere.
Dear friends, thank you for learning with Mr. English Clips today.
Please like, subscribe, and share this podcast with other learners.
Practice English every day, even for a few minutes.
Speak kindly, listen carefully, and enjoy your learning journey.
We believe in you, and we're proud of your effort.
See you next time. Keep practicing and stay confident.